A lot of answers that are given to us. Basically, the replies sub judice. Most of the cases, whatever replies we have got. Specifically, I will place it on the table of the House. Today, it is our right to, Speaker Sir, debate on even matters that are sub judice. It is, we should not speak on the merit of the case. But आज example, सगळे answers mainly दिले sub judice. We are here come. These matters are taken using public fund. If we cannot selectively zoritor ami sub judice matters declare करचे ना. Example, मुख्यमंत्री आंदा गोयभर भोवता मजे घर तेगे घर काय न्हू तें मजे घर स्कीम तेंय सब जुडिस पूण तो पेरगांव इतलो मोगान लोकांचे इतलो मोगान आसा इतलो मुरगोटा आसोता इतलो मुरगोटा ते तुवें सांगपा जाय सब जुडिस तुमकां जाय तसले सिलेक्टिव सब जुडिस. स्पीकर सर, दिस इज नॉट फेअर. It is our right of all the members here. Sub judice matters needs to be discussed. Secondly, Speaker Sir, जे आज point of order, आमचे चिंबेलचो लोक आज they are protesting. They met Honorable Chief Minister yesterday. हांग केलो तेदो आपोवं नाय. पयलीं दिसा म्हणलो आपयतो मो. But today their demand is जे sub judice. आज ह्या सरकारान एक sub judice खातें, sub judice department. Next session आम सगळे sub judice आनी एक खातें उक्ती करचे पोस्टपोनमेंट खातें म्हणजे पोस्टपोन करूं जाल्यार थिंग घालप.